Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for intermediate level part 1. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the present perfect tense in passive voice. Let's talk about the verbs first. In active voice, we use the third form of the verb, and likewise, in passive voice, we use the third form of the verb. The helping verb of present perfect in active is have or has. But in passive, we use have or has plus been. Now let's talk about the positive structure first. That is, subject plus have or has plus been plus verb 3 plus by phrase. Do not forget been after have or has. For example, number 1, she has helped the students. In this sentence, she is the subject, has is the helping verb, helped is the main verb or the third form of the verb, and the students is the object. In passive voice, the sentence will be, the students have been helped by her. Example number 2, you've called me again. I've been called again by you. Number 3, Naeem has sent the emails. The emails have been sent by Naeem. Now let's talk about the negative structure. That is, subject plus have or has and not plus been plus verb 3 plus by phrase. For example, number 1, she hasn't helped the students. In passive voice, you have to say, the students haven't been helped by her. Number 2, you have not called me again. I have not been called again by you. Some of the students made the mistake by saying, have been not. That is wrong. And number 3, Naeem hasn't sent the emails. In passive voice, you have to say, the emails haven't been sent by Naeem. Now let's talk about the positive interrogative structure. In the interrogative structure, you have to bring have or has to the beginning of the sentence. And then use the subject, then been, plus verb 3, plus by phrase. For example, number 1, has she helped the students? Have the students been helped by her? Number 2, have you called me again? Passive is, have I been called again by you? Example number 3, has Naeem sent the emails? Have the emails been sent by Naeem? This is all about the structures. Now, let's do 2 oral exercises. Number 1. In this exercise, you have to change the following sentences to passive voice. I've given you some sentences, you have to change them to passive voice. Let's do the first one. He has damaged his car. His car has been damaged by him. Good luck with the rest of them. Now let me share the answers with you. Number 2, they have seen him. He has been seen by them. Number 3, she has sold her car. Her car has been sold by her. Number 4, you have completed your homework. Your homework has been completed by you. Number 5, Jalil has bought a goat. A goat has been bought by Jalil. Number 6, have we not helped them? Have they not been helped by us? Number 7, hasn't she advised him? Hasn't he been advised by her? Number 8, has he congratulated us? Have we been congratulated by him? Number 9, has he respected the teachers? Have the teachers been respected by him? And number 10, the students have painted the picture. The picture has been painted by the students. Oral exercise number 2. In this exercise, you have to change the following sentences into active voice. If I do the first one, she has been invited by her mother. So here you have to say, her mother has, remove been, and then say invited, and also remove by. Say, her mother has invited her. Now you do the rest of them. Alright, let me talk about the answers. Number 2. Have we not been taught by Jamil? Has Jamil not taught us? Number 3. Hasn't the car been sold by him? Hasn't he sold the car? Number 4. We have been asked for help by them. They have asked us for help. Number 5. I have not been respected by Ali. Ali has not respected me. Number 6. The room has been cleaned by me. I have cleaned the room. Number 7. They have been congratulated by us. We have congratulated them. Number 8. The computer has been used by Ahmad. Ahmad has used the computer. This concludes our session for today. Do not forget the exercise that is attached to the same video. Remember, this is just a short version of our today's lesson. The same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you.